Are you tired of contractors failing to meet your expectations? At Ottawa General Contractors, we have mastered the design and build experience. It all starts with our pre-construction planning process, which ensures that our expectations are lined up. The first step is to sign up with our architectural design process. We'll have our design team visit your property to do a thorough review of the existing conditions and a detailed measure. We will then meet to review your concept plans and the full 3D model of your future project. Our estimator, who is an engineer, will then create a detailed and itemized fixed price scope of work. Our architectural planning package ensures that our expectations are lined up by showing you exactly what your project will look like and how much it will cost. It also makes us 100% accountable to deliver on those expectations. Reach out to us now to get the architectural process started today.